Your sales team and pre-sales team are making hundreds of calls every day, but you are struggling to track their productivity and follow up. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and set up the Dzylo dialer so you can easily monitor your team calling activities, improve accountability, and manage sales performance more effectively. Hi, I'm Aditi, and in today's video, I'll walk you through this process step by step. The first process is you have to open the Play Store, and then in Play Store you have to search Dzylo dialer. So this is the dialer, so you have to click here and then you can install the dialer. The dialer is installing, and once it is installed you have to open that and then you have to log in. So it has been installed, so let's just open the app. So I have written my ID password and now I am signing in the dialer. So if you have enabled the two-factor authentication, it would send an OTP. If not, this step won't be coming in your process. So now the dialer has been installed successfully. Now let's just see how you can open Dzylo and add it as an app in your phone. So that you can see three dots, click on that, and then if you scroll down you have the option of add to home screen, and then you have to click on install and the app would be installed in your phone. Now if you can see, I have both Dzylo's app, that is the first one, and the dialer, that is the second one. So firstly, if you already have installed Dzylo dialer, you have to just click there and you have to log out once and log in once again to calibrate the dialer. If it is, so as you can see, I have already logged in, so just click on these three dots and log out once and log in once again. Please ensure that both the dialer and Dzylo should be logged in with the same ID. Now once this is done, just click on the sales and then you have to go to the lead part, and if you have to call the lead, here you can see a calling button that is there, so you have to just click on the call button and then you can directly call a particular lead. Once the dialer is installed and your call is getting redirected, you can see the total number of calls that has been done, how many are, you can say, connected. So let me just show you of one of my salesperson. So here I can see in the call summary that he has done 82 calls as of now, out of which 28 are connected and 54 are not received, right? So in this way you can track the call summary of your sales as well as the pre-sales team once you install a Dzylo dialer. Apart from that, we also have third-party integration of Norarity and Exotel. So if you want to subscribe on that, you can do that also. In that case, you would get the call recording as well. And that's how you can quickly set up Dzylo's dialer and install your Dzylo's app. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on notification for more Dzylo tutorials and product updates. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks.